Hi, I'm Maddie. I'm a first year and I'm an intended media studies major.
I'm Clara. I'm also a first year and I'm a political science major.
I'm Harlie. I'm also a first year and I'm a comp sci major.
We have a bunch of great amenities in our suite. We have a half bath, full bath with a vanity outside, and then we share a common living space with our 2 neighbors who are also in the suite with us, and we have a kitchenette in there as well.
I found my roommates using the Berkeley housing portal where you could talk about your living preferences and your personality type so they can match you up, and I went random and I found 2 of the best roommates, and my suite mates who are like our neighbors also were random, but we all really like living together and we all get along really well.
Our room came with 3 beds, 3 desks, and 3 chairs. In our common living room, we have a couch, a table with chairs, and a coffee table. And our kitchenette has a sink with a counter and a fridge and microwave.
The Clark Kerr social life is really good. There's a lot of places where people hang out, like the courtyard, the pool, the gym. And in our building, it's really nice. Everyone is super friendly. And our RI has done super cool activities like game nights where we can interact with other people from our building, but other building as well.
I love all the big open courtyards that kids can just hang out in. People play their guitars and play volleyball games. I really like the Elmwood area. There's a lot of cute places to shop and eat there. And we've got a bunch of really fun hiking trails where you can see the sunset.
At the Clark Kerr campus, we have our own dining hall, we have a mailroom, and we have laundry rooms as well as the front desk. And we also have study lounges, which any student is available to go in.